2026 Fiat-Toro-Ultra versus 2026 Chevrolet-Montana are two mini pickup truck facelift comparison. Here's a visual comparison of the 2026 Fiat-Toro-Ultra and Chevrolet-Montana 2026, two refreshed mini/compact pickup trucks with distinct approaches to design, tech, and utility. 2026 Fiat-Toro-Ultra, facelift and refinement. Exterior and styling. The Toro-Ultra receives a bold facelift with a modernized and more assertive front fascia featuring vertical grille slats, inspired by Maserati, segmented LED DRLs, redesigned fog lights, and a wider skid plate. Rear styling includes sharper LED taillights, refined bumper accents, and the signature split barn door tailgate. Powertrain and performance. Offered in flex fuel variants with a 1.3L turbo 270 flex, generating 176 horsepower and 270 Newton meters across trims, including Ultra. Higher trims like Volcano and Ranch gain a 2.2L turbo diesel with around 200 horsepower and 45.9 kgfm torque, mated to a 9-speed auto and optional 4x4 with low-range mode. Notable updates. All versions now include rear disc brakes, an electronic parking brake with auto hold, and new wheel designs, 17-inch or 18 per trim. Interior and features. Subtle yet meaningful refresh units in 2024 versus Chevrolet-Montana's 27,724 and is Premier and RS trims and body-colored handles/mirrors on the base MT version. Dimensions: 4.72 m length with a section, producing 141 horsepower, up from 139 horsepower, and improved screen featuring native Wi-Fi, wireless Apple CarPlay/Android Auto, lighting, elevated edge mats, logo projection lights, premium sound options, bike rack, and RS. Price range are $141,600 to $177,000. Fine mechanical updates, making it a compelling option for buyers who want robust performance, rugged styling, and lifestyle-friendly accessories, while maintaining a proven and efficient powertrain for daily use. What matters most to you? Toro delivers power and presence. Montana offers high-tech sophistication by 4 advantage. If you choose the 2.2L turbo diesel, you get much more low-end torque. Better. Chevrolet Montana, 2026. City-friendly, improved with the facelift, especially with upgraded seals and dampers. Practicalities for sports gear or tools. Payload/towing. Toro Diesel 4x4. Higher payload and towing capacity, better suited for work duty. Montana, limited to 400 kg tow, hitch rating, more lifestyle-oriented. Who should buy which? Fiat-Toro-Ultra 2026. You want more muscle, diesel torque, off-road capability, and cargo capacity while still having a comfortable daily driver. Chevrolet Montana 2026. You value urban drivability, high-tech features, connected services, and a lifestyle-friendly bed system over raw towing/hauling strength. Strength snapshot. Toro-Ultra wins in. Stronger engines, especially diesel. 4x4 capability. Higher bed volume and towing. More aggressive, premium facelift. Montana wins in. Better fuel economy. More affordable price. Superior infotainment and connectivity. Clever bed organization. Verdict. If you're going to haul, tow, or do occasional off-road work, Fiat-Toro-Ultra 2026 is the more capable and tougher, but they clearly serve different buyer profiles. Let's push this comparison a bit further and talk about real-world ownership scenarios for the 2026 Fiat-Toro-Ultra and Chevrolet Montana. Because numbers are nice, but daily life with a truck tells the real story. Urban commuter. Toro-Ultra might feel a bit large in tight city streets or mall parking lots, especially in 4x4 diesel form, but the higher seating position and strong presence make it comfortable in traffic. Montana easier to maneuver, lighter steering, and better fuel economy for stop-and-go driving. Ideal for urban delivery services or people who don't want the full truck size. Winner for daily city driving. Montana, smaller footprint plus better MPG. Weekend adventure. Toro-Ultra Diesel 4x4 with low range makes trail driving, beach trips, or mountain runs possible without drama. Bed space handles bikes, camping gear, or kayaks. Montana can handle light gravel or dirt roads, but without 4x4, it's better for paved road trips. Ultra. Make it feel almost SUV-like inside. Montana cabin is narrower but gains points for digital cockpit and infotainment features that kids/teens love on trips. Wi-Fi, wireless CarPlay. Winner for comfort and space. Toro-Ultra. Winner for tech and connectivity. Montana. Work and payload. Toro-Ultra higher payload and towing rating, plus the split tailgate, helps when loading heavy items without straining. Montana bed organization is more clever for tools, smaller loads, and deliveries, but payload/towing numbers are lower. Winner for heavy-duty hauling. Toro-Ultra. Long-term costs. Toro-Ultra diesel models can have higher maintenance costs, filters, fuel system care, but last longer if serviced well. Flex models cheaper to maintain, but less fuel efficient. Montana 1.2L Turbo is simpler, parts more available, and better fuel savings, lower insurance costs due to smaller size and lower price. Winner for affordability. Montana. Bottom line. Choose Toro-Ultra if you want muscle, presence, and real truck utility. Choose Montana if you value tech, efficiency, and urban-friendly practicality.